technology industry has played a vital role in global economic development. Being well known for excellence in research and innovation, Europe has always been a renowned global scientific powerhouse. Over the years, European tech players like Siemens, Delivery Hero, Spotify, and many more have contributed significantly to many nations around the globe, including Malaysia, sharing advances in Industry 4.0, automation, and much more to develop the nation further to enter into the next phase of technological development. With the current focus to advance the digital infrastructure globally to achieve sustainability, as well as connectivity, European technologies will continue to inspire the digital transformation revolution around the world.
The general worry is about the common vision that an AI might eventually overcome and reach human intelligence. So far, today, we are still far from that scenario. But we do see a lot of improvements in terms of AI adoptions.
With this upskilling and reskilling, this actually, with the rising of Industry 4, is giving this opportunity for everyone to look after the future, whereby there are more opportunity and more scope of work is required from the people, because we are human. Human need to interface, we human need to interact. This is not going to be replaced by the machine.
E&E exports recorded an increase by 3.5% over 2019 due to surge in demand, mainly for semiconductors used in personal computers and other electronic devices during COVID-19 pandemic. Demand for electronic gadgets is spurred by the needs for work from home, attending online classes, playing games, and home entertainment.
We have seen some good tractions of these developments in the region. Things like artificial intelligence, decision intelligence, augmented data management, cloud service, data marketplaces and exchanges, as well as blockchain in data and analytics.
Opportunities are limitless, really, because there's just a sheer lack of adoption of technology in our industry, and that provides tremendous opportunity for a industry that's worth $12 trillion globally. So the numbers are actually really staggering. We have done research and believe that there's probably only 5% of the industry globally, only 5% of that $12 trillion industry has engaged any kind of a project management software. Forget about having an end-to-end solution that can do everything. So it really is a tremendous opportunity, not just here for the region, but for the world.
European companies have contributed significantly in the development of E&E industry in Malaysia. Some examples of European E&E companies operating in Malaysia include Infineon Technologies, Osram Opto Semiconductors, XFAB, STM Microelectronics, and Robert Bosch.
Siemens is one of the company we are actually helping the government, helping the country. We have completed the MRT Line 1. We are also building up the speed train from KLIA to the KLCT. We are also doing for the combined cycle for TMB Pride and also the Pengerang combined cycle energy transformation on that. So in that matters, actually we are constantly involved in those projects, and we are trying to support the country how we can facilitate more on our technology innovation, and also how we can support our industry to be one of the most advanced in terms of technology.
We decided to strengthen our presence in Asia to serve them better, to promote a seamless cross-border trade and finance in ASEAN region. There are some serious works needs to be done. That's the potential we see in this region. We know there is a need for us to bring our knowledge and expertise to this part of the world. We are also introducing a credit management tool in Malaysia. We call it Credity in Europe, where it is currently operating.
We see the pandemic has forced acceleration of digital transformation. It's a big puzzle for everyone to talk about digital transformation, but what does it mean for digital transformation? Digital transformation is actually using the technology, the emerging technology, to support the business, to drive for the business outcome.
Many Malaysian E&E companies have developed capabilities in producing high-end products and services required by foreign MNCs based in Malaysia, as well as in exporting those products and services to clients all over the world.
Increased market participation, cost management benefits, advancement in marketing abilities, and market trends matching to enhance productivity, job creation, innovation capacity, high-skilled talent pool, and ultimately economic prosperity and societal well-being.
The digital economy has an increasingly role to stimulate economic growth. Data and digital technology is inspiring growth in several dimensions that includes boosting tech talent development, increasing cybersecurity vigilance, developing platforms and enablers, and put in place the upgraded legislation and policies to speed up the growth of Malaysia's digital economy.
I would highly recommend that European companies come and look at this market, look at the technology that's available, look at the talent that's available locally, look at the companies for potential collaboration to try and see how you can expand from Europe into, to me, the hottest market collectively in the globe.
A digital company like Crave uses its technology and expertise in data management to enable creditors, financiers to make decisions such as whether the applicant can pay, how much they can pay, to identify the right credit limit and ideal credit term or repayment term. Growth Engine integrates all partner data into the ecosystem by keeping data properly organized in segregated areas in the as-a-service platform and combines strategy and analytics to extract value from data, leading our partners to become data-driven companies.
This is why we did Proficient, is to try and help people digitize all of those processes, to remove the handling of paper from the approvals of anything, or submissions of anything, or the transmission of anything, so that we can have an electronic process in the review and approval of anything on a project, no matter what it is.
Companies like ours are already looking forward to bring technology to the next level. In particular, we see conversational AI to be the next big thing in artificial intelligence sector. It means enabling machine to mimic human interaction, to let them speak and conversate the same way we do.
Malaysia welcomes EU investors stretching from R&D services establishments, global headquarters, all the way to high technology and emerging market manufacturers. The Malaysian government has outlined several competitive tax incentives for investors seeking to leverage Malaysia as their base for operation.
One of our effective platforms is the participation in Semicon West in the US, as well as in Hannover Messe, Germany, which is the world's leading trade show for industrial technology. Matrix also continues to arrange virtual business meeting sessions between Malaysian companies and foreign buyers.
Siemens has been one of the pilot company driving for digital transformations. We are also supporting the small and medium-sized enterprise to drive for the transformation of the digital arena. We're trying to use our capacity. We are forming the Siemens Innovation and Resources Training Center. We also trying to help on our customer. We also trying to help our graduates, also help for those workers that they feel that they need to upskill and reskill in order for them to be secure on their future.
Technology is driving Malaysia's future, and European solutions continue to play a key role in achieving digital aspirations outlined by various government initiatives. At Eurocure Malaysia and the bilateral European Chambers of Commerce, we are facilitating market access and business opportunities. As we begin to move past the pandemic, we acknowledge that Industry 4.0, automation and robotics, 5G, a whole new digital infrastructure is offering challenges as well as great opportunities for our technology providers. European companies are well positioned to compete and benefit from this development. In line with our core values, at the Chamber, we are working closely with businesses and government stakeholders on technology and knowledge exchange for the benefit of both markets.
EU, MAI, stronger together.
EU 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 MAI, stronger together.